Okay, I had to drain the whole loop last night due to a leak, which I don't want to go into much details about because it was just horrible. But now, as we can see, the reservoir is filled to the brim now, and I'm using the same EK, what do you call that, filling bottle that's used to fill or drain coolant from loops. So I had to turn the pump on just for a few seconds just to make sure that it was all connected and powered up. So as we can see, it's already pushed the coolant through the secondary GPU and it's already come back up, and it's the level is slowly rising due to the high hydraulic pressure of that hydraulic head being slightly higher. So the pump's actually off now, obviously. So I'm just going to flip the switch now so we can see how quickly the coolant drains from the reservoir and how it quickly fills the loop up. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, the pump's running. Woo! Oh, and the pump's now running dry. So that didn't take long. Yeah, so now the coolant's gone through the secondary GPU up to the the primary GPU, right up to that radiator there, back down to the motherboard water block. So we can see there's still some air gaps over there because there's still that much coolant that needs to go in the loop. Okay, cool.